Hi, I'm Paul Halofko. Today we're going to learn how to propagate and grow kailan, which is a Chinese cabbage or kind of a broccoli. It's a long vegetative type of plant that is common for Chinese cooking. It's actually quite delicious. You can grow it two ways. One is you can grow it into a small little basket thing like this in your hydroponic system, or you can do it in hydroponics. What we're going to first do is how do we actually cultivate it so we can actually get it for starts for a hydroponic system. And the way you do that, it's actually quite simple. You start out with these little plugs. You can buy these plugs in any type of hydroponic store where they have a small little hole where you pop the seed in. Take all these plugs and put it into a tray full of little holes where all these plugs fit in. Once you finish that, take your seeds and you pop in one seed at a, actually I do two seeds just in case one doesn't germinate. You can always pull the one out. And you put it in each plug. After you fill in all the plugs, put it on the top of a cap. This is basically my very old cap that I keep for keeping the moisture in and keep the thing watered so that the seed will germinate and grow. Make sure you keep this in the shade. Make sure you also have no direct sunlight on it. I also keep it into my aquaponics system here where then the water then is absorbed by the underneath of the tray and then it goes up in through the plug and keeps the seed wet. When the seed has grown a little bit, it then is transferred into a basket. You can simply just put the entire plug into a basket and then just pop it into your hydroponic system. I'm Paul Halofko.